What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and press that notification bell so you can stay tapped in whenever I'm bringing you the hot new videos and especially when we're going live. So, today we're going to talk about one of the most talked about cryptocurrency coins around. But before we get into the coin of the day, first, make sure y'all get out there, get your stock holiday gear, get your stock holiday merchandise. It's cold out there. It's raining in some areas. It's raining out here where I'm at. So your boy had to pull out the stock holiday beanie, had to pull out the stock holiday hoodie. Click that link down below. Make sure y'all support your boy. Get your merchandise, and I will appreciate it. But let's go ahead and take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, right now, Bitcoin just hit $106,000. We broke an all-time high once again, y'all. We've been talking about support levels, resistance level. We broke another resistance level. Bitcoin is currently at a $106,000 range. We are in discovery zone again, all-time high. And you guys know what happens when these coins get into discovery zone. When they get into all-time highs, there's no longer a ceiling. There's nothing to stop. There's no longer a resistance level for Bitcoin. So who knows where Bitcoin can go to from here? $106,000. I believe that it probably will start to test $110,000 before it get rejected again. So great day. Congratulations to everybody out there who've been dollar cost averaging in, who's been trusting the process, and who've been sticking with Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin dominance right now is 56%. We did see the Bitcoin dominance get down to 53%, but we did go through a little bit of a flash crash. We saw the altcoins get beat up a little bit, and now we're seeing Bitcoin pump back up, which is excellent. The fear and greed index is back at 80. Folks are starting to get a little bit more excited. Once again, in Bitcoin, we're going to continue to watch the fear and greed index because that's one of the indicators we've been paying attention to all year. So let's go ahead and get into the coin of the day. The coin of the day is none other than Spell Token. SPELL. That's right, I said it. Spell Token, you know we've been talking about Spell Token all year. Currently, Spell Token is sitting right now at 0.00098. That's 3 zeros and 98. This is currently the number 397th largest cryptocurrency coin in the world. The market cap is only $150 million. As you guys know, we've been talking about Spell Token all year. Most recently, we've been dollar cost averaging in Spell Token when the price was just 0.0005. So right now, we've already doubled in price. We've already doubled our money in just a couple of months. This is a doggone coin. We're expecting this coin to really do big things. We're expecting great multipliers in this particular coin. We're expecting this coin. I had a price target on this coin at 0.015. That's a penny and a half. And if you got in a few weeks ago or last month when I did the video and the price was 0.0005, we're talking about a 30x from that particular point if it was to hit my conservative price target of a penny and a half. This coin could possibly go to 3 cents. It could go to 7 cents, which is what the all-time high shows on CoinMarketCap. So there's a lot of room for this particular coin to pump. There's a lot of money to be made in this particular coin. And like I always say, you always want to try to find a coin that nobody is talking about. This coin has been beat down. Folks have been saying, is Spell Token going to pump? Folks have been selling Spell Token because Spell Token was just being idle. It was just laying low like XRP was for so long. And then a coin like Spell Token with the market cap being so low, this coin can easily do a 100x. If it was to do a 100x, what are we talking about? You're talking about a $15 billion market cap from where it's at right now. It's $150 million market cap. So if it add a zero, that's a $1.5 billion market cap. If it add another zero, that's a $15 billion market cap. So there's a lot of range. There's a lot of growth for Spell Token. Another thing, Spell Token is listed on all of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges. Spell Token is on COINBASE. You can find Spell Token on crypto.com. You can find it on Uphold, Binance, and all of the other dominant and prominent cryptocurrency exchanges. which says a lot about any particular coin. If you find a coin and it's listed on all the exchanges, it's a bona fide, certified hell of a cryptocurrency coin that you want to place on your radar if you don't already have skin in the game in spell token. So I'm looking for spell token to really take my portfolio to exponential levels. I'm looking for spell token to really reward me for buying and dollar cost averaging in when the price was only 0.0005. Currently right now we're 0.00098. Probably by the time this video is released, another zero will be dropped, and it will only be two zeros, 0.001. Then after that, we're going to expect 10, 0.01, and that will be close to our price target of 0.015. That'll be another play that we would have knocked out the park, hit another home run. If you can find a cryptocurrency play that can do a 30x, that can do a 16x, 10x, anything like that, that is a outstanding performance for any cryptocurrency coin to achieve during a bull market. Another things I want to bring to you guys' attention is that Bitcoin is lining up. Cryptocurrency is doing what it always have done every 4 years. These 4 year cycles have been unchanged. The last year, or the last Bitcoin halving year, 2020, we know that quarter four, we understand how explosive quarter four is, the year of the Bitcoin halving. Well, last Bitcoin halving was 2020. Quarter four, Bitcoin had a 168% increase. Bitcoin went up 168% from October, November, and December of 2020. Quarter four was outstanding. Bitcoin started off the month of October at $10,000. By the end of the year of 2020, Bitcoin was sitting at $27,000. Excellent performance, and like we always like to do, we like to compare the trends. We like to compare the cycles and see how it lines up with the current 2024 Bitcoin halving cycle that we're in. So how are we going to finish off quarter four? How have quarter four been performing so far? Well, glad you asked. Bitcoin started off the month of October 2024 at $60,000. Currently right now we are at $106,000. If Bitcoin was to do a 150%, then you only talking about $150,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2024. We understand that diminishing returns is a real thing. Will Bitcoin do a 167% like it did last cycle? Will it do a 150% in quarter four? Who knows? But even if we say, okay, Bitcoin do a 100% because of the laws of diminishing returns, this particular cycle will not perform as strong as the previous cycle. What if it only go up 100%? Bitcoin started off October at $60,000. What if we only get to $120,000 by the end of 2024? That is definitely on the table. That is definitely possible that Bitcoin can end up at $120,000 by the end of 2024. We just in the first week, or maybe the mid part of October, we still got a lot more movement, few more weeks to go to December 31st. We're already at $106,000. Went from $60,000 to $106,000. Those are excellent levels. We're talking about 70% already. So Bitcoin have been performing well. 75% already, and quarter four is not even over. We know we still got the Santa Claus rally. We got the FOMC meeting next week, which will probably show that the Feds will be cutting interest rates once again, which will spike the market. S&P 500 going to spike up. The Dow Jones is going to spike up, and old Bitcoin will be spiking up. So there's a lot of things going on as far as how this cycle will last. Will it end at the end of 2025? Will it end early? There's a lot of things on the table as far as when we should be taking profits, how to navigate, how to perform, how to best dominate this particular 4-year cycle. We still seeing Ethereum have yet to really reach its previous all-time high of $4,800. Ethereum did break the $4,000 mark, but it still have yet to break its previous cycle's all-time high, which was $4,800. There's still so many other coins that have yet to reach its all-time high. So this right here could mean one, two, or three things. I probably will be going live tomorrow. We're probably going to do an emergency live because I do have some information that I want to bring to you guys. I want to share with you guys about phase one, which is when Bitcoin outperforms their entire market. Phase two is when Ethereum starts to outperform Bitcoin. Phase three, what's going on. Phase four, low cap, small cap coins, medium cap coins will explode. But nevertheless, we are in a great position. Bitcoin is doing excellent, doing what we have been expecting Bitcoin to do. Bitcoin have been outperforming the market, but as of the past few weeks, we have been seeing some of the altcoins have great explosions. We've seen one coin, which coin was that? Velodrome Finance. We seen Velodrome Finance the other day went up 140% in one day. I took a screenshot, placed it over there in the Patreon, and told folks, hey, might be time for us to take profit whenever we find a coin that goes up 100+% in one day. It's always smart to take profits. You may not want to take it all out, but definitely take half off the table and leave the other half in. If it continues to dip, you may want to take some more out. Then when the thing gets back down to a low support level, you can buy back in and continue to dominate that particular play. But it's just some great things that's been happening. Some of the altcoins have really been exploding. You guys know a lot of the small cap coins that we're in. We've been knocking it out the park. Our portfolios are continuing to increase. It's just a good time to be in crypto right now. We got a few more weeks to close out Q4 heading into 2025. We got situations going on with the presidential inauguration. New SEC chairman will be in place. So there's a lot of positive things going on, and we will continue to watch these things. We're going to continue to follow the charts, study the charts, and we'll continue to bring you the information on a daily basis. So come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. We have a great cryptocurrency community of folks who love to talk about cryptocurrency all day, every day. But like I say, I'll just come to you guys every day just to continue to give you that good encouragement. Coming to you guys every day to give you that good motivation. And that's all I've got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.